I'm a heavy equipment operator.
I'm a plumber.
I'm a pipe layer.
I'm a project superintendent.
I'm a project foreman.
I need something that's going to be comfortable,
Flexible.
Keeps me warm and comfortable. That's very important.
I've been testing the Walls jacket for like 2 weeks now, and I really like it.
It's very nice in this rapidly changing weather that we have. Serves also as a windbreaker.
It fits me really well.
Staying pretty clean.
Keeps me warm.
It's reliable, it's durable. I guess my jacket is one of my favorite things that I have now.